Hey Cajon drummers, welcome back to another how to play video. Today we're going to look at Sunflower by Malone. Let's break down this groove nice and slow and then we'll build it up together.
1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 the 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 2 3 4 and 1 3 and 4 and
Okay, so one more thing I feel like adding into this groove is some knuckle knock technique to emulate this cowbell that you can hear towards the start of the song. I think it comes and goes as the track goes on, but if you want to add in that extra element, follow me along here, again, nice and slow at 50 beats per minute, and have a look at what I'm doing with my knuckles in the groove.
3 4
Okay, so that was Sunflower. I heard the song for the first time, I think, watching the Spider-Man movie, which I thought was pretty cool. Anyway, if you haven't heard the song, I'm going to leave a link for you on this video. And that's it. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them down below. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.